Hi guys, the Art-tastic sisters here. So today's video we're gonna make a home decor DIY, or you can also call it a wall decor DIY. And for this you'll be needing a shoebox lid or any other cardboard lid. Now this shoebox lid is approximately 16 into 28 centimeters, and you will be needing some paper like this. This paper is something that was left from my other crafts where I had to cut out a square from an A4 size paper. The size of this paper is approximately 21 into 9 centimeters. I've also taken a stick which is about 15 centimeters. The number of sticks you'll be needing depends on the number of flowers you're going to make for this DIY, and I'm also going to take 4 more different colors of this paper to make 5 flowers in total. You'll also be needing some black paper and a sheet of aluminium foil. This sheet is approximately 33 into 46 centimeters. And that's it. Let's get right into the video. First, you have to take this sheet of aluminium foil and crush it. Now, after crushing this aluminium foil, you have to slowly flatten it again. Be careful not to tear anything. This is the crumpled sheet you will get after you flatten the crushed foil. And I'm going to place this crumpled sheet on the inner part of the shoebox lid. Now this is our shoebox lid. And now I'm going to take this small piece of paper we have, and I'm going to fold it in half. Now I have drawn a line over here. This is a folded side, and I'm going to take my scissors and cut out strips till this line from the folded side. Now I have cut it out in thin strips, and now I'm going to open this paper and I'm going to place it like this over here. I'm going to apply some glue in this place where the strips are not there, and now I'm going to stick it like this. Note that I'm folding in the opposite way. I'm doing this because I want to give it a puffed look, and I'm going to stick like this, and here I have stuck it. I have to take the stick and take this paper, apply a little bit glue on the top, and now take it and start rolling it in the stick like this. Keep its position like this. Sometimes when you stick it will be like this when you're rolling it. It's okay, just fold it on like this and continue. And now finally, when you're about to reach the end, just apply a little bit glue on the end part and stick it. And here is our flower. As you can see, this is like a lavender. And I have also made 4 more of these flowers using 4 different colors: red, orange, purple, yellow. So I'm going to use these 5 flowers. I'm going to keep them aside, and now I'm going to take the black paper I have. Now in this black paper I have drawn something over here which is in the shape of a vase, as you can see. Now you have to cut out the shape. I have cut off the strip of paper, and I'm going to keep it along the length of the vase and cut off the extra part which is coming. I have folded this paper in half. Now I'm going to take this and place it around like this. Now I'm going to stick this like this, and I'm going to repeat the same with the other side. Now I have done that. I'm going to take a small piece of paper and stick it over here first, and then bring this like this and stick it over here as well. So I'm joining both of these things using a paper piece. Now I have done that. I have also added some small strips like these which are going to help me stick this vase onto the shoebox. I'm going to do that with the help of double tape, and I'm going to stick like this onto the shoebox. And you can also do some designs on the front of this vase. And now I have put the flowers inside this vase-like thing which I have made over here, and this is our final DIY. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. Tell us how much you liked it in the comments, or put your doubts and suggestions also in the comments. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. If you like this DIY, you can also check out our other videos which are on the screen right now. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.